How y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video is going to be about how to make $100 per day with YouTube part. Welcome to today's video on how to make $100 per day with YouTube part 2, and this is going to be a video series where I'm going to teach you that how you can actually go ahead and make $100 per day with YouTube channel alone. And this video, video part 2 would be most probably the shortest video in this whole video series. Is going to be very short, it's going to be very sweet. It might even be the shortest video that I have personally done. So what I'm going to cover in today's video is I'm going to cover to you on how to create a YouTube channel. So a lot of you might already know how to create a YouTube channel, so you might be thinking, what is this guy trying to do? It's so simple, it's so like piece of cake thing for me. Well, definitely guys, I know it's piece of cake, I know it's easy, but you have to keep in mind that not everybody has a learning curve which is very hard. Not everybody can adapt things very fast. Everybody has their own pace on doing stuff. I'm a firm believer in that. I believe that just because you know how to create a YouTube channel does not mean that everybody else know how to create a YouTube channel as well. Some people do not know how to create a YouTube channel, and if they do know how to create a YouTube channel, some people just want to watch my videos. Oh no, I'm just joking guys. Some people just learn in a very slow way, but once they actually grasp that particular thing, you can't get that thing out of their head forever. So it totally depends on individuality, on how people how people grasp things. And I believe, like I told you, I believe that everybody has their own pace on doing stuff. So I'm going to do this video on how to create a YouTube channel. So you might be familiar with this video, so if you don't want to watch this video, I understand if you don't want to watch this video because you know how to create a YouTube channel already, but then it's okay for me. But those who do not know how to create a YouTube channel, definitely this is a video for you. I'm gonna follow all these things in this video, all these guidelines that I actually put for this video series. And if you want me to do something else as well, do let us know in the comment below, and I will definitely do something else as well. So the first thing is we are going to create a YouTube channel. So this is a YouTube account that I have. Let me just remind you, to create a YouTube channel, you will be requiring to have a Gmail, a Google email. So Google Gmail, YouTube account, and Google, the company Google, they actually owned by the same company. YouTube is like a sister company of Google, so they are owned by a similar companies and they are integrated to each other. So in order for you to create a YouTube account, you will be needing a Gmail. But do not get confused guys, Gmail and YouTube account are totally different things. Gmail and YouTube account, they're totally different things. Some people might think that if you have a Gmail, then you have a YouTube account indirectly. No, that's not the correct fact. You can have a Gmail and you can integrate it with YouTube as well, but then that will not mean that you have a YouTube account. I'm going to show you an example of stuff. As you can see over here, internet is loading slow, something happened. Let me just refresh this website over here, YouTube. All right, no wonder. All right, because I've signed out of the thing, that's why it's loading slow. So as you can see, this is my YouTube account with in-stock trading. It's one of the things that I have with this particular Gmail. This is my account, which is Praveen Solodre. It's not my in-stock trading page. Keep in mind that it's not my YouTube channel. It's just my Gmail account, which I have with this particular YouTube channel, which is the videotrading@gmail.com. So as you can see, if I switch account, I have 4 accounts with this particular channel alone. I have like 4 accounts with this particular Gmail alone. With video trading, I have a channel for AP production house, I have in stock trading, and also I have a channel which I'm currently a Gmail account which I'm currently associated with, which is called the Pravin Salvadore. And as you can see over here, they actually say over here that I have no channel in this particular account, which means I have only a Gmail account which is Vinegar Trading, and I am associated with YouTube, but I do not have a channel in this account. As well as not only that, you can also be a manager for a different channel, for different account, if that particular creator of that particular channel wants you to be. I'm going to talk to you about this at the end of today's video. Just stay tuned, guys. So like I told you, this particular Gmail has no YouTube channel, but if you go over here, if you go to this particular channel over here, this is my channel, right? And then you go to your channel, you can see that I do not have any channel. You can see this, right? So you can see that I do not have any channel, and I have to create a new channel. But if you go over here again and you go to switch account and you go to this particular channel that I have, which is called the In Stock Trading, this is also with the same Gmail that I have, which is the Vinegar Trading as well. But when I go to this particular thing and I press your channel, I have a wonderful channel here with 911 subscribers, as you can see over here. So this is my channel. So like I told you, it does not means that if you have a Gmail account, you have a YouTube account by its own. So you have to keep this in mind very, very carefully. So the first thing that you need, but whatever is said and done, the first thing that you need in order for you to create a YouTube account is to have a Gmail. So the first thing you got to do is go ahead and sign up into a Gmail. If you do not have a Gmail, you can go to Google and create a Gmail account. Then it will lead you to this particular page where you can go ahead and press create an account, and then you can fill up all those informations over here. It's very, very simple, guys. So once you fill up all the information over here, you can go ahead and create your Gmail account. And Gmail accounts are usually very, very highly protected, so you have to like integrate it with your mobile phone number. Usually I do it with my mobile phone number, so they will send you like a Google verification code to your mobile phone number where you have to verify your account. So once you have actually created your account, and then what you got to do is you got to, let me just sign up from everything. I'm going to show to you. I've signed up from everything. Just continue. All right, so as you can see over here, now I have signed out from everything. I've already created a Gmail account. Like I told you, you just follow all these steps and you can create a Gmail account. So once I've created a Gmail account, I now have signed up into my YouTube, and now I want to create my channel. So the first thing I got to do is I got to go over here and press the sign in button, and I'm going to sign in with the account which I personally want to create a channel. So I have this Gmail account which is called mrpaylater@gmail.com. so I'm going to use this particular account, and then it's not visible, right? So I'm just going to type the password, and then I'm going to sign in. And as you can see, now I am logged in into my YouTube account, my YouTube account with this particular email, which I have no channel as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a channel. So it's pretty simple, guys. All you got to do is go over here to your logo itself, and then you're gonna go ahead and press manage your channel. So when you press your channel, since you don't have a channel, it will prompt you to create your own channel. So I'm going to create our own YouTube channel right now. So you can name your YouTube channel whatever you want over here, first name and last name. So I'm going to just name it Mr. Pay Later. So I'm going to name it like this. I'm going to name it, and I'm going to just hit the create channel button, and it will take some time, and ta-da, you have successfully, what happened? Something happened. Yes, ta-da. Oops, something went wrong. Yes, guys, I have successfully created my YouTube channel. As you can see, if you don't believe, you don't know how to see whether you have successfully created your YouTube channel or not, you go back to YouTube over here, and then just now when you go to your channel, there's nothing, right? But now when you press your channel, you'll be led to a page where your channel is already live, but your channel has no content, your channel has nothing, and the next step would be for you to go ahead and customize your channel, which I'm going to show to you guys in the upcoming video, which is how to make $100 per day with YouTube part 3. So stay tuned with it, and that's how you actually create a YouTube channel. It's pretty straightforward, just like how I told you in the beginning of the video itself. It's pretty straightforward. A lot of people know how to do it, but if you don't know how to do it, then this is how you do it. And also, like for example, I'm gonna show switch account. I'm gonna sign out of this account over here, and I'm going to sign in into another account which I have. So I'm going to sign in into this particular account, and I'm going to show you something as well. As you can see, we have 3 channels over here. Do not ask me first. I'm going to use this as a public. So I'm going to sign in into this, and as you can see, I've already signed in into my channel again. And now when I press switch account, I have like 1, 2, 3 channels in YouTube itself. And this channel for Debru over here, keep in mind that I am not the creator of this particular channel. For the other channels over here, which is the InStock Trading and then the AP Production House, I was the creator of that particular channel. But when it comes to Debru, I am not the creator of channel Debru. Colin Dijs was the creator of channel Debru, and then what happened was he made me a manager of his particular Debru channel, and you can do so as well. As you as a content, as you as a creator of a channel, for example, I own this channel. For example, Colin Dijs owned this channel Debru, and he personally made me as his manager of this channel, and you can do that as well. If I have this channel which is InStock Trading over here, I can go ahead and make somebody else a manager of this channel as well. So it works in a vice versa way. So you can actually create a YouTube channel, and you can actually give your YouTube channel to somebody else to manage it, somebody else to do everything properly. Maybe you don't have time, you have a different YouTube channel. So it depends on so many things, guys, but that's how you do it. And I think I've explained a lot of stuff in today's video. Even though I wanted today's video was supposed to be a little bit short, I made today's video a little bit wrong, right? I hope it wasn't draggy, but I really hope that you grab something from this video. Even though it was like a very easy title, how to create a YouTube channel, but I really hope that you learned something from today's video as well. And on top of that, I really hope that you enjoy today's video, which is very, very important.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.